bit of spray. Wow. There we go. Look at that. Morning, everybody. We are here in the UP of Michigan at the lower falls of Tahquamenon Falls, if I'm saying that correctly. We are here in, so I'm calling it Tahquamenon Falls State Park. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know. Close enough in my book. So we're here at the lower falls, and we're going to start on this little hike here. So today we're going to do the lower falls, see them, come back to the car, drive over to the next, to the upper falls, hike and see them. So this will be, both of them will be in this video. So it is July 10th, 2024. We are here on our Great American Road Trip. This is really our second stop of the trip. So if you are new or just jumping in here, we're heading on a long road trip. We're all going all the way out to at least the far west area of North and South Dakota. Probably dip into some Wyoming and Montana, we'll see. But other than that, we're going to see a lot of stuff over the next few weeks. And I wanted to show you this one because I need to use the restroom, and two, because it's like brand spanking new and well taken care of, so we should show them off. So it looks like they have a cafe and gift shop right here, brand spanking new, and great looking restrooms here. So I'm gonna take those for a spin. I don't know how far the hike is.
Half a mile to the bridge.
It says half mile?
Yeah.
Half mile to the bridge. What bridge?
I don't know. It says here. Half mile to bridge.
You
are here. Half mile to bridge.
Okay.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out one way or the other, and you'll be along with us. So let me use the restroom real quick, and then we'll jump in to our hike. Okay, so I think we're getting to the end of this hike. We're getting to the lower falls viewing area here. At the beginning there you saw the falls. It's kind of split in two halves, but now we're getting really close to this viewing area. So we're at about 0.4, almost a half a mile total walk, 10 minutes, and it's a lot of it is just this boardwalk. So
very stroller,
wheelchair friendly. And basically, as long as you can get around, you can walk for 10 or 15 minutes at a time. You can make it all the way out here, 10-15 minutes on the way back. There's benches and stuff along the way, so there are a couple places to sit, so pretty darn accessible. Okay, so let's give you the first look at the falls here. Look at that. Oh, a little bit of spray. Wow. There we go. Look at that. It's almost like, almost looks like Coca-Cola, the color of it coming over the edge there. The brown color, whatever's in the water. And very foamy. Lots of foam down there. Take a little spray here. Let's see what this sign says. Older than dinosaurs. The sandstone that forms Tahquamenon River bottom was originally beach sand along ancient sea that existed over 500 million years ago. That's before dinosaurs. Wow. The lower falls is older than the upper falls. Huh. Older than dinosaurs. Look at that. And we got another viewing area over here. So you can actually even see right through here. That's where we started. A little viewing platform I can see. Just straight ahead there. Wow, that river is moving. Look at that. Yeah, there's some people over here, and there's a little walkway here. But this is an island. You can see the river goes around this corner here and down here, so there must be a bridge somewhere further up where you can cross. So maybe we'll check that out. Really cool. Does he like it? Oh yeah, he loves it. You like that, Micah? You like that? No. He's camera shy. Cool, so we're gonna take in these views a little bit, and then maybe we'll hop up and see if there's a bridge or something to get across. So we've been hiking for like 2 minutes now, further up, and we are coming up to the bridge here. So this might be the half-mile point in the walk. Another thing I noticed, like, not only are the restrooms and everything new, but this here is all new. All of this boardwalk is within the last few years new. So well maintained. Everything is in tip-top shape here in 2024. Okay, so river trail. So there is a hiking trail that can go to the upper falls, but we're gonna drive to the parking lot. But we are gonna go across the bridge, Ronald A. Olson Island Bridge. Wow. And this thing, not going anywhere. We have definitely driven across bridges way more rickety than this.
This isn't rickety at all.
No. This is a people bridge is what I'm saying, and we've driven across stuff way worse than this. They could take cars over this thing. Yeah. I think that's the thing I noticed the most about this is how fast the water is coming down. Crazy fast. Now here we go, we got a little bit of a map I can show you. Kind of where we are and everything. So this is, we're in Lower Falls Island. So there's a set of falls here. These are the set of the falls. This is where we were when we showed you the first good view. And then we've walked up here. Here it says 0.75 to the parking lot. So the parking lot is this general direction up here. So I guess I'll just do this little loop and walk the island. Why not? We're here. So this is the other half of the lower falls. Wow. Very cool. I love that we can get over here and see this. Woo. Slight spray here. Very cool. Wow. You know, I think I'm going to have to turn this into its own video and do the upper falls in its own video. This is a little bit more than I was expecting, which is awesome. Okay, it's going to take us to the end of the hike. Took us about an hour total. All of it was extremely passable by wheelchair and stroller, what have you. Very flat, not a lot of hills at all. So about as accessible as a waterfall is going to get. It was about 1.75 miles total walk, so that included going here to this island. So the fall's there, we took the bridge across, we walked the whole way around and then back here. So 1.75 miles. I think it was about a mile out to get to the bridge. So as long as you can walk about a mile, you can see most everything. But I would encourage you to go to the other half of the lower falls, because those are also really cool. So like I mentioned before, I think I'm going to split this into 2 videos because this is a little bit more than I was expecting it to be. I thought it was going to be like a little 1/4 mile walk out, see it and come back, but it's a little more. So the upper falls will probably be in its own video. So if you like this one, hit the like button now, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and comment. If you're the first one to make it to this point in the video, give me a comment, tell me you're first, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see more of. We got lots more coming from this trip here this summer, all the way out to the Dakotas and back. So much to see, so stay with us. So until then, we will see you in the next one.